Whether you're upgrading your geyser or replacing a damaged one, Builders has a wide range to choose from. This is the Builders 150-litre high-pressure geyser. It's the perfect size for a small family. With its 600 kPa pressure, you won't freeze when the wife turns on the hot water in the kitchen. It's also great quality and has a 2mm inside cylinder, which is thicker than most, so you have less chance of it bursting. And best of all, you'll save power too, because it has a Class B energy rating. These units can be mounted vertically, horizontally, on the floor, on the wall, or in the roof. And to add to it, it's heat pump compatible. Just be sure you get the geyser installed correctly. And at Builders, you'll find everything you need for the installation, including an approved plumber in your area. This is just one of the many geysers available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or follow the YouTube channel.